Hey there, I'm exploring the jungle today with some of my wildest friends. Look around. You never know who we'll meet next. Hey friends, today I'll show you how to animate fun characters just like my step by step. Let's get started.
First, open your Chrome browser and type in Microsoft Bing. You can also use ChatGPT to create characters, but for this tutorial, we are using Bing. Sign in with your Google account. I'm already signed in, so I will click on Image Creator, then click on Create. I already have my prompts ready, so I will paste it in. Here is the prompt I'm using. Generate a 3D image of a beautiful black American girl, 7 to 10 years old, brown skinned, with bizarre coiled hair and a red hairband. She has bright eyes, pink lips, wears jeans and a red polo shirt with brown Timberland shoes. She's walking and talking in a jungle with animals. So, yeah, I've kept the prompt simple for this tutorial, but feel free to customize yours. So I will go ahead and click on generate. Let's wait for the image to generate. Okay, here are the results. I will go ahead and select the one I like and download it. Okay. Now that we've got our image, it's time to animate it. But before we do that, let me share a simple trick with you. If you are not sure how to write a good prompt for an AI animation, here is what I do. I go to ChatGPT and click the little plus icon beside the chat box and upload the image as a reference. Then I say something like, I want to animate this image using Ulo AI. Can you help me write a short text prompt? ChatGPT will give you a clean, detailed prompt written in a way Ulo AI will understand. Why does this work? Because ChatGPT is also an AI and it knows how to talk to other AIs. So you don't have to guess or figure it out by yourself. So if you want to use other AI platform to animate your image, just go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you a clean, detailed prompt. No stress. Now let's head over to Ulo AI. Open your Chrome browser and search for Ulo AI. Sign up if you are new. I'm already signed in. Click to upload the image. Then paste in the prompt ChatGPT gave us. On the free plan, you can generate 3 videos per day, or you can upgrade to the premium plan if you want more. So I will use my 30 free coins and click generate. It may take around 20 to 30 minutes since we are using the free version. Okay, our animated video is ready. I will go ahead and download it. Let's play it. Wow, this is amazing. Now, let's add some lip sync to bring the animation fully to life. Go to your browser and type in Dreamface. Sign in with Google account. Click on AI video, generate avatar video. Then upload the animated video we just created. Now type in the text you want the video to say and select a voice from the list. You can also upload your own voice recording if you prefer. I will pick one of their voices for now and click generate.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface. We hope
Give it a moment while Dreamface applies the lip sync. Our video is ready. Let's play it.
Hey there, I'm exploring the jungle today with some of my wildest friends. Look around.
And just like that, you've learned how to generate an AI image. Write a prompt with ChatGPT, animate it for free using Hollow AI, and add lip sync using Dreamface. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. And stay tuned, because in the next video, I'll show you a secret free tool that removes watermarks from your generated content.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.